Welcome to Experience Watch, all the lovely people out there. And today I'll be starting with the first series of our channel. This will bring it to you the regional books of Northeast India, which will have the essence, culture, and history of Northeast India. And because the series, because Northeast India is not about one culture, one language, it has a lot of language, lot of cultures, and the reason is a big reason. And so that's why I need to explore the books. I need to read it, understand it, to bring it to you. So it will take some time. So the series will have infinite numbers of episodes, and it will keep on continuing and running. But in the mid of the time, and alongside this series, I will start some other series with different numbers of episodes. So let's start with the first series, Regional Reads Northeast.
Our today's story begins in Assam, in the quiet town of Makun. Long back, people from China came here. They were carpenters, tea workers, and craftsmen brought by the British when Assam's tea industry was growing. They built homes, planted roots, and became part of this land. They spoke Assamese, celebrated our festivals, and lived as one of us. But time has a way of changing everything. In 1962, when India and China went to war, everything changed. The Chinese Assamese families who had lived here for generations suddenly became suspects in their own home. Many were taken away to far off detention camps. Some were sent to China, a land they barely knew. Families were separated, homes left behind, and their names slowly disappeared from the history. This is the part of Assam's history we rarely talk about. But one writer decided these voices should be heard again. She traveled across Assam and met the survivors and turned their memories into a story so that no one would ever forget what happened here. In this story lives Maylin, a woman who carries the heart of this book. She is brave, full of strength, and holds her family together even when the whole world around her breaks. Maylin, a woman of Chinese roots, falls in love with Pulak, an Assamese man. Their love grows in the middle of fear and war, and it's through their bond that we feel what it truly means to belong. When she was forced to leave Assam with her little daughter, she doesn't just walk away. She carries with her the memory of her homeland, her love, and her lost world. She represents every woman who has ever been displaced, yet refused to let pain destroy her spirit. They were neither accepted by India nor China. But this story is not about only one Maylin, it's about many like her and Pulak, whose love defied borders. This story also touches on real figures from Assam's history: Moniram Dewan, Purandar Singh, David Scott, men whose actions shaped the tea industry and unknowingly the fate of thousands. The book is called Makam, written by Dr. Rita Chaudhary, one of Assam's most respected writers and poets. The English translation is titled Chinatown Days.
I know many of you from Assam must have already read this book, and for the younger generation, especially of Assam, I truly recommend reading it once.